Good evening, traders. In this video we're going to talk about another indicator which we can use it with Quickpips for the more confirmation before you enter a trade. So this indicator is called double MACD. You will see it on the screen. So you have to choose this indicator, and then once you have this indicator, you have to change the settings a little bit. So in the settings you have to come to style, uncheck option 2 and option 4. Then you have to come in front of the option 1, you have to come here. This is going to be select on histogram by default. You have to change it to columns. Then you have to do the same thing on option 3, select it to columns. Then it's customizable by the colors, so if you need to change the colors, you can change the colors. Once you change the colors, these are the settings that we want. Then you are going to hit OK. Okay, now we have the double MACD ready. So before you enter a trade by using the Quickpips indicator and the MACD, you have to make sure for the buy you want to see the blue cloud with the green cloud, and you want to see these columns forming above the zero line. So this is the zero line that you see. So if you see all the green columns and there is no black in it, that means it's a bullish scenario. And if you see the columns forming below the zero line and then you see the orange and the red cloud, that means it's a sell scenario, so you go short here. So for the long entry, you have to wait for the columns to start going back up the zero line, and then you have to wait for both the clouds, wait for the candle to test both the clouds and get rejection, and then the next candle close above this. So if you wanted to go long, you have to open your long position after this candle close here. Your stop loss is going to be below the wick, this, and then with this you can easily manage to get 1:4. Okay, 1:4 here. It's a 1 minute time frame. Sorry, it's a 5-minute time frame. So with the 5-minute time frame, this is a big gain. Okay, so the very simple setup. Okay, to add this, again you have to go to indicators, look for double MACD. Okay, choose this one, and then you can take the picture, or just to remember, it's very easy. Just have to check options 2 and option 4, change these two columns from histogram, and then you are good to go. Hope that helps.